Katie, I would like you to take the time to tell us what not to do with birds.
I'm having a bad hair day.
So tell us the story.
I had these. I'm crying. Okay. I had these bird eggs. And the small dainty one's name was Lily, and the larger fat one, his name was Earl. And I was gonna take care of them and raise them as my own. I killed them.
What did you want to do to them first?
I'm sending this to everybody. I thought they might be getting cold. So I wanted to put them in warm water. But I guess that drowned them. And then I thought I felt one move. And I dropped them on the ground. And they cracked open and smelled really bad. And Earl and Lily are dead. The best thing my mom did.
This is why Katie can't play with the animals anymore.
With animals?
No.
I'm not gonna kill them again.
I don't believe you.